All right, so I took a deep dive into our secret stash of Printify data and found that these summer extras are what make shoppers go, oh wow, I need that. Think about it. Summer is an absolute goldmine for print on demand. People are gearing up for vacation, beach days, concerts, outdoor events, and of course, summer fashion. So let's talk about the products that turn browsers into bundle buyers. And because you should be designing now, before summer officially hits, I'm also gonna show you how to create a viral summer design using Canva. Before we go any further, we've gotta discuss the summer classics that should be in your product lineup, because it's the classics that get the clicks. Tanks and t-shirts. Every summer, tanks and graphic tees trend hard across all age groups, especially the women's ideal racerback tank and the youth short sleeve tee. AOP tote bags and cotton canvas totes are lightweight, stylish, and perfect for the beach, groceries, or park days. Distressed caps, trucker, and dad hats are summer musts, combining sun protection with easy everyday style. Big, durable tumblers, Stanley, please return our calls, are selling fast thanks to custom options and all-season practicality. P.S. This one can be engraved with your custom design. While everyone comes into your shop looking for a cute hat or a sturdy picnic tote, these extras are gonna tempt shoppers to toss just one more thing into their cart. Casual, mini, summer, midi, maxi are all making waves in the e-commerce world right now. Flowy, lightweight dresses, especially with alt animal prints, retro boho vibes, and coastal aesthetics are trending hard on social media. From cute skater dresses to casual t-shirt styles, they're not just fashion forward, they're functional. Perfect for beach days, brunch, or throwing over a swimsuit. With the right print or pattern, they're the kind of treat yourself item that virtual window shoppers can't resist. Easy, breathable, and made for summer. Clogs, slides, and flip-flops are back for summer. And don't be afraid to have fun with the designs. Bold patterns, funny quotes, or minimalist designs bring comfort and personality to pool hangs, gardening, or just everyday errands. And speaking of everyday essentials, nothing says summer upgrade like a can cooler that keeps your drink ice cold and your style on point. Custom can coolers are a summer favorite. Perfect for barbecues, beach day batch parties, and backyard hangs. They're lightweight, low cost, and super giftable, especially with funny sayings, monograms, or personalized event themes like weddings or family reunions. As more people plan road trips, beach days, or park hangs, insulated lunch bags and bento boxes are becoming go-to summer essentials. They're practical, reusable, and make eating on the go way more aesthetic, especially with fun prints, bold color combos, or personalized names. And bonus, they're ideal for families, students, and 9-to-5ers who want to pack snacks in style. Oversized, vibrant, and 100% summer ready, beach towels are both a statement piece and a practical must-have. From bold patterns to personalized monograms, they're a fun way for shoppers to show off their style poolside or seaside. Plus, the large print area makes them perfect for eye-catching designs that stand out in photos and your shop. And let me know in the comments which of these super fun items you're excited to add to your shop. Okay, now that you've got your summer product lineup mapped out, let's talk about what really gets the clicks, the designs. Next, I'm gonna walk you through how to create a viral scroll-stopping summer design in Canva, even if you've got zero design experience. If Canva's not your thing, no worries. Adobe Express is another affordable, beginner-friendly option, and we've got a special discount just for you in the video description. Let's dive into Canva now. I'm gonna show you now how to design a viral summer trend, the alt animal print. So you see here on my screen, kind of this reptile style pattern and another example, kind of butterfly moth style. We're gonna create something very similar with the skater dress using Canva. So first things first, we are going to go into our catalog, and I've chosen the women's AOP skater dress. We're gonna go to the product creator by clicking Start Designing, and I'm just gonna look at the print area size. These are the dimensions that we can use in Canva to make sure we have the best quality design. So we saw in my dresses on one of them that I only had the bottoms of the dress printed. So I'm gonna take this larger print area. I'm not gonna use the exact dimensions. I'm actually going to create a square because we're gonna use the pattern tool here in Printify to get it to cover the entire print area. So let's head over to Canva now. So what we're going to do, we're gonna use AI to make these designs. It's super quick, super easy, and we're gonna use Canva's relatively new feature, Dream Lab. So to find that, we can open the menu and click on Dream Lab. And just like any other AI image generator, you will enter your prompt and it's gonna spit out what you tell it. So let's start with that reptile skin first. I'll say pastel blue, reptile, spotted skin. And I'm also gonna add the word texture because the thing is with this alt animal trend, it's more figurative than it is literal. We're not gonna have a literal reptile on our dress. We're not gonna have literal butterflies, but think more of the textures and the patterns. So I'm gonna say texture. I'll say abstract, seamless pattern, because again, we might be using our pattern tool in Printify. This will make sure that the edges line up. We don't have any misaligned elements. Abstract seamless pattern, and let's make it a watercolor style. We can also add a reference image if we want. If you have something more specific in mind, you can add an image. The AI will refer to that and kind of make it similar to that. We will change our aspect ratio. Again, for seamless patterns, we want a square, and we'll click create. So we see 4 patterns here, kind of different. I like this 4th one. So here we can see that it actually kind of looks like a reptile of some sort. We see the head, some feet. So it took it a little bit more literal. So I'm not gonna use that one. I want more of these abstract styles or textures. I kind of like the shapes of these ones. The colors are nice here. Let's try this one. This one kind of reminds me of scales a little bit. So once you have a pattern that you like, you can either download it directly or you can click edit and it'll open this design into a blank Canva template. So if you want to edit it further, maybe you want to add text or something like that. I like it as it is, except we see that it made it a little bit smaller here. So what I showed in the product creator with those dimensions, we want a little bit bigger of a design so that resolution is crisp. So I'm simply going to use the resize tool, which if you have Canva, the free version, you won't have access to this, but the premium version does. So we can resize it. I'll say 3000 by 3000, and we will just resize this design. Okay, so it did its magic. Now I will simply download this design. You can click share in the top right. We will download it. And we want to make sure that we download it as a PNG. And we'll click download. Okay, now before I bring it into Printify, let's go ahead and create that other pattern that I showed. So we're gonna go back to Dream Labs again. We'll click on the menu button here, find Dream Lab, and same exact thing, I'm just gonna put in a different prompt. This time I will say soft pink, wispy butterfly, wing texture. So again, I don't want a literal butterfly, but more that texture of what a butterfly wing might look like. And I'm gonna use kind of the same thing. I'll say abstract seamless pattern, and we'll also make it watercolor. I really like the watercolor style. And it's already set to a square. We can create. Okay, so we have some really cute designs here. This first one, we see that it's kind of literal, but still abstract. The other ones, I get kind of almost flower vibes, which they're still nice. I do like the first one the best though. So I'm gonna choose this one. And again, we're gonna edit. And I'm just gonna do the same exact thing. I'm gonna resize it. I will download this design too. Again, a PNG. Now that we have these downloaded, I'm gonna go back into Printify now to our product creator, and I'm simply going to drag in my design. So let's go ahead and find it in our downloads. let's start with that reptile design first. Okay, so we see this looks pretty cool. We can resize it a little bit like this. We can take it, if we want to make a pattern like this, we can. I'm actually going to, it depends how big or small you want the elements. I kind of like this style to be a little bit bigger to kind of see that scale, those scales. So we're going to turn the pattern off and let's simply fill it here to our print area. Okay. And we are going to apply this to all areas. So this design was now added to the front of the dress, the bottom, and the back. However, we see the size stayed the same on the bottom. It's a bigger print area. So I will also make this bigger. We can fill it to the print area like so. Or if we want, we see that's a medium resolution. So we're going to lose quality a little bit. To keep it the same size, I'm actually going to leave it as it was and then make a pattern like this. And we're going to do the same thing for the back bottom. Okay, now let's take a preview. Well, I think this is super cute. You can of course play around with it, add different elements if you want. Let's take a look now at how our butterfly will look. So I will save this product quickly. Okay, so I'm in the product creator again, same exact dress. Let's put in that butterfly design now. So I'll drag and drop it in. And right away this time, I'm just going to apply it to all of the print areas. So we see it's been added. Now we need to adjust it a little bit. I'm actually going to make this a pattern, just like this. You can make it bigger if you want those butterflies to be more distinct. You can make it a bit smaller, kind of like this smaller one. We can move it around. And now I'm going to apply this to all areas again because I want these same dimensions, this same pattern on all of the print areas. So we can, we wanted to delete that other one. There we go. And for this dress though, I'm actually not going to have a pattern on the top. So we can delete it from the front and the back. Oops. Here we go. And now if we look at all the areas, we're going to have a blank top. Super cute. I might even go a little step further and make the top, instead of just being white, you can take a pink, a softer pink, and make it a solid pink. I would then go back into Canva, grab that hex code, and add it in there. So once you're happy with your cute dress or whatever product, you can simply click Save. All right, now it's your turn to start creating and cashing in. Get more fire inspo and make sure your products pop with personalization.